Welcome to Itadakimasu, Japan. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity, art, and technology at teamLab Planets, one of Tokyo's most breathtaking digital art museums. From interactive light displays to immersive installations, get ready to experience a magical journey like no other. Let's explore! Itadakimasu. To reach teamLab Planets, start your journey at Shintoyosu Station, located about 30 minutes from Shinjuku Station by train. Shintoyosu is part of the vibrant Toyosu area, a modern waterfront district in Tokyo known for its stunning skyline and serene bay views. From the station, it's just a short walk to teamLab Planets, nestled in a lively cultural and recreational hub. This area is home to not only cutting-edge art, but also trendy cafes, open green spaces, and a refreshing coastal atmosphere. Follow the signs, and in no time, you'll find yourself standing at the entrance to a world where technology and imagination collide. By the way, right at the entrance, you'll find Vegan Ramen Uzu Tokyo. Their vegan ramen is highly recommended, so be sure to give it a try. Here's our recommended ramen, miso ramen vegan uzu style. A kombu and shiitake broth with miso, roasted tomatoes, broccoli, mushroom and yuzu creates a perfectly balanced flavour. Alright, so let's go ahead and step inside. Here's a look at 6 must-see pics from the 15 amazing artworks on display. The title of this mesmerizing artwork is Moss Garden of Resonating Microcosms. Solidified light colour, dusk to dawn. Imagine a landscape where natural moss blends seamlessly with countless ovoid, egg-shaped objects, shimmering like polished silver, surrounded by a mystical sea of clouds. These egg-shaped objects are interactive. You can touch them. When pressed or knocked over by the wind, they emit a resonating tone and gracefully return to their upright position. But it doesn't stop there. Nearby ovoids respond in harmony, creating a chain reaction of sound and light that travels across the space. When the wind is still and visitors remain motionless, the installation takes on a meditative quality, slowly pulsating with a soft glow. The title of this enchanting piece is Floating Flower Garden. Flowers and I are of the same root, the garden and I are one. This installation features over 10,000 live orchids, creating a breathtaking space that is both a dense, three-dimensional mass of blooms and a hidden, magical garden. The flowers interact with visitors, rising gently when someone approaches and lowering again when the space is clear. At first glance, the area appears completely filled, like a stunning wall of flowers. However, as the blooms ascend, an open space emerges where visitors can move freely, wandering slowly through this immersive floral world. Stand still for a moment, and you'll find yourself surrounded by flowers, as if becoming one with their delicate realm. These vibrant orchids, known as epiphytic orchids, thrive without soil, drawing water and nutrients directly from the air. Suspended mid-air, the flowers continue to live and grow, with buds eventually blooming into radiant blossoms. The infinite crystal universe. Light points are used to create three-dimensional objects and expand infinitely in all directions. Mirrored walls, ceilings and floors project moving light in tantalizing colors of mixed blue, green, pink and purple. The teamLab phone application allows visitors to manipulate images on the light artwork, evolving the space into an infinite pulse of energy. The the light patterns evolve endlessly according to the bodily movement and presence of the visitors. In this mesmerizing installation, koi fish swim gracefully across an infinite expanse of water. Visitors are invited to step into the water and walk through the scene. The koi respond dynamically to the presence of people, as well as to the movements of other koi. When a fish comes into contact with a person, it transforms into a flower and scatters. Throughout the year, the flowers bloom and change with the seasons, creating a constantly shifting landscape. As the koi move, their paths trace beautiful lines across the water, influenced by the interactions around them. This artwork is not a pre-recorded animation. It is generated in real time by a computer program. Every moment is unique, shaped by the behaviour of the visitors and the environment. The ever-changing nature of this piece ensures that no two scenes are ever the same. The image you see in this moment will never appear again, making each encounter a fleeting, once-in-a-lifetime experience. Floating in the falling universe of flowers is an awe-inspiring installation based on the concept of butterflies dancing in the cosmos of life. Visitors can use their smartphones to release butterflies into the artwork, seamlessly blending the physical and digital worlds. The visuals are created in real time by a computer program, ensuring each moment is a one-of-a-kind, fleeting experience that will never be replicated. Expanding three-dimensional existence in transforming space, flattening 3 colours and 9 blurred colours, free-floating, immerses you in a mesmerizing world of glowing spheres. As you make your way through the space, each sphere responds to your touch, resonating with sound and shifting in colour. These changes ripple outward, affecting the surrounding spheres and creating an ever-evolving cascade of light and sound. This interactive journey transforms the space into a living, breathing entity where every moment is uniquely shaped by the movements of its visitors. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the breathtaking world of teamLab. From interactive art to immersive experiences, this is where technology and creativity collide to spark wonder and imagination. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more unique adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and we'll see you in the next video.